If you go to use the camera on your iPhone, but it's not working or it's black, I'm going to walk you through a number of different steps to definitely get that fixed. So let's jump in. The first thing you're going to do is if the camera app is already open, either in the camera app or in a different app, let's just close out of all of those. Next, we'll tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and you're going to scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on that. And then scroll down and tap on Camera. Now, if you're trying to use your camera with a third-party app, let's say Facebook or Instagram, and if it is turned off, then all you need to do is toggle it on, and that will allow that app to have permission to access your camera. However, let's say that is not the case, or maybe that camera app is just completely missing. To be able to get it back and use it, let's tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings. Scroll down from here and tap on Screen Time, and then scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if this is turned on and there's a passcode set, it could limit your ability to use certain apps. Because if I tap on Allowed Apps and Features, you can see Camera here, and if I toggle this off, you'll be able to see it automatically deletes that camera app. So all I need to do is toggle camera on, or if you don't need that, you can always turn off content and privacy restrictions completely. Now, if that doesn't work for you, let's just open up the camera app again. And the next thing we're going to do is check to see if either of the cameras work. So if the front camera works, but the back camera doesn't work, you can switch back and forth and maybe even get a cloth to clean it at the top if it is still dirty. And that's the reason why it's not working. However, if you're still running into issues, a lot of times it will fix it if you just do a force restart. So press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button to do a force restart. So volume up, volume down, and press and hold the side button. All you're going to do is hold that side button, even though it says slide to power off. Just keep holding until your iPhone screen goes completely black, just like that, and then just wait a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. Next, you'll release your fingers, and you've done that force restart fixing the camera on your iPhone. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.